Welcome back, Crammers, to question 14. The diagram shows a solid prism. The cross-section of the prism is shown shaded. The volume of the prism is 924 centimeters cubed. Work out the value of x. So we know that the volume of the prism is simply the cross-section times the width. And if we can find the cross-section here, we can multiply it with the width. The cross-section is given to us as two distinct shapes. We have a square here and a square here. We can find out that 6 times 14 is 84. And we have 7.5. This side will also be x. So this is 7.5 times x. So that's 7.5x. Okay. Now if we combine these two, 84 plus 7.5x, and multiply it by the width, which is 8 centimeters times 8, it will give us 924. We can divide both sides by 8 to make life easier. Divide by 8, divide by 8. We can use our calculator here. We have 924 divided by 8 gives us 115.5. So we have equals to 115.5, 84 plus 7.5x. Now we can bring 84 to the other side. So we have 7.5x is equal to 115.5 minus 84. We can find this out. Minus 84 gives us 31.5. So we have 31.5 and 7.5x. We can divide both sides by 7.5, divide by 7.5, and we find out that x is divided by 7.5 gives us 4.2. X is 4.2. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.